Gold, silver, precious metal mining stock investors, we may not realize this yet, but we are sitting in a very good spot. In this video, I'm going to cover 2 facts and 2 predictions related to the current macro environment that are going to be very, very supportive for the precious metals and the mining stocks as we head into the next 6 to 18 months. Let's get started right now. Fact number 1, as we build toward a higher precious metals price. The general stock markets are not going to come back anytime soon. It's very unlikely that we're going to see a strong, major bounce back to the highs that we experienced earlier this year, late last year. The reason why is quite simple. The stock market, I mean, heck, it's been breaking records. I read like worst start to the year since 2001, the longest continuous streak of down weeks since whenever. It's been a slow, steady decrease down. What that means is there's a lot of people who bought as the stock market went down, and those people are going to want to sell as it goes up just a little bit. That will create huge overhead resistance. That alone won't create a higher precious metals price, but it builds in that direction because the next fact is that the Federal Reserve is happy with the stock market going down. It's helping them on their futile, remember that word, futile fight against inflation. So the Fed's not going to come in and rescue the general markets either. Now again, these 2 facts alone aren't going to result in higher precious metals prices. However, and let's move on now to prediction number 1. Thank you for joining me in Ron's Basement. I put out content darn near every day. If you'd like to subscribe, that would be great. You could also leave a comment in the comment section below. I have to tell you, my wife loves to read the comments, and the fact that several of you have taken to calling me crazy eyes because I don't blink during my videos. So thanks a lot. Now when I wake up in the morning, first thing I hear is, "Good morning, crazy eyes." However, and let's move on now to prediction number 1, when investors realize the market's not going to just bounce right back like they've been conditioned to for the last 20 years or so, the general investing market is going to grow frustrated. So now we have the double F factor. Investors are growing frustrated, the market's not bouncing back, and at the same time, they're beginning to realize that the Fed's fight against inflation is futile, which leads to prediction number 2, and this is the huge one. As investors are frustrated, they realize the fight against inflation is futile. They're going to look around for alternative places to put their money. And what they're going to find over in the corner, shining brightly with his first cousin silver, is our number 1, gold. They're going to like the safety and security of gold. Whether they look at the last 6 weeks or 6,000 years, they're going to see that it is an investment that holds its value. And it's not going to take a lot of these new investors to have a major impact on the price of the metals or the mining stocks. A tiny bit of new capital can have a significant impact on the price of the precious metal miners, coupled with the fact that these stocks are almost all sitting very close to their 52-week lows. I hope you enjoyed my video, and now it's maybe a little clearer to you why the future looks so bright for gold and silver. I appreciate you being here. You're always welcome in Ron's Basement. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do that here. If you want to watch another video, you can do that here. Until next time, be well.